Good morning, welcome back to another video. Today we have another install for the GR86. I actually have to go pick up the part from AeroflowDynamics, but what I'm getting is a front splitter. Finally ready for pickup, so I'm gonna go and pick it up, and I have Josh tagging along with me. We just picked up the front lip from AeroflowDynamics, down all the way over there. They're probably like, why the fuck are these people so early? Because we literally came right when they opened it. Finally got the part, go home, install it. Alright, made it back home. Got the car up on jacks already, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox the new splitter and go ahead and install it. Alright, so got them all unboxed. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't realize it, but I didn't know it was like a 3-piece set. I thought it was one long piece, but it's okay. I think it should, like, the lines shouldn't show too much because it all molds together. So we're going to put this together and then throw it onto the car after. We got 2 pieces together. Now we just gotta add the last piece. They stick together.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
That was my knee.
I know. I need to do that too. Okay. Doesn't gotta be too tight. But boom. I'm a GR86. Okay, so now we're gonna just go ahead and test fit it with some painter's tape to hold it up on both sides. This, maybe. I'm just gonna put it here for now and fit the other side and then see what adjustments need to be made. This tape is not sticky enough. Alright, so I test fitted the lip as best I could with painter's tape onto the car. This is what it's gonna look like. I don't know if there's supposed to be like a little hole there. Well, there's a hole there on both sides, but you could barely see it unless you're looking for it. So kind of just flow towards the end with the side skirts as well, so how it all fits in. The only thing is, this is a gloss black and this is more like a flat black, so it doesn't match completely, but who cares? Other than that, it lines up really well. Like the body lines here line up to the lines right here. So yeah, I did look underneath and there are actual divots to show you where to drill into the side skirts, into the car, so you just follow it down along the way. Last screw. Oh. Alright, as you saw, got all the screws in. We'll finally peel off all the painter's tape. That one already came off. Boom. 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 You want to do the last piece of painter's tape? Moment of truth. Will it hold? Or is this one piece holding the whole thing up?
That was crazy.
It did come with like some extra screws. This part is a little like it. This part doesn't have a screw, so I might honestly just drill the extra screw into here to hold this a little better. I think on this side, it's like even worse. But everything else is pretty on there. I mean, it's floppy obviously because it's literally just plastic with self-tap screws. But with the dad test, I don't think it's coming off.
Yeah, let's see. So if I can just.
All right, so got the car back on the ground now. Let's see what the front lip looks like. Sticks out just a little bit from the front, so I'll probably end up scraping a bunch still because I scraped with nothing on it, but it's all good. Protects my car now. This is how low to the ground it is. It probably just like, honestly, not much lower, maybe like half an inch lower, but the only thing is it just sticks out a little more, like probably like an inch and a half out from where the stock bumper is, but should be good. I like the look of it. It doesn't look too crazy, just adds a nice small aggressiveness to it. I want to show how like I'm not even like almost out yet, and this is how close it is already to the floor. I tried going out a little and it already like scraped a tiny bit here, but that is bad. That is yikes. All right, anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. Shout out to Josh for being here and just being that guy in the background. Hope you enjoyed the little installation. Honestly, this is a pretty short video, I feel like, but you know, we got to get that content out, so whatever content I can film, I'll film. The next thing is most likely going to be my front. Oh wait, I can't say that.
Damn, you almost leaked it.
I almost leaked it. Okay, the next thing is going to be that special thing. It is supposed to come in tomorrow, so that will probably be the next week's video after this video. So this is going to come out this coming Monday, and that's going to be the week after. Be installed on the car. Honestly, I feel like I hyped it up so much, but it's nothing even that special. But just because it took so long, it was like super hyped up. But don't feel disappointed if it wasn't that special. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Anything you want to say? Woo! He doesn't have a big set of words, and it's great. See ya.